So for this video, I will teach you how to remove avatar in Snapchat. So go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. Tap on your profile picture, which is seen on the upper left corner of your screen. This will now direct you to your profile page. Notice on the upper right corner is the settings icon. Tap on this icon and then select the Bitmoji category. So in this page, you will see your current avatar, and under your avatar are options regarding your Bitmoji. These options include change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, and choose a selfie. But below this is the unlink my Bitmoji text. And that is what you want to tap to remove your avatar. So tap on this text and this prompt will appear. Now choose remove and then go back to your main page. So now notice your profile icon wherein your Bitmoji or avatar is not present anymore. This means that you have successfully removed your avatar in Snapchat. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.